To schedule a CreditSaint credit report analysis, start by visiting the CreditSaint website and logging into your account. If you are not a member, you will need to sign up for a free trial or subscription. Once logged in, navigate to the credit report section where you will find an option to request a credit report analysis. Next, select the type of analysis you want, which can be a one-time report or an ongoing monitoring service. Choose the frequency of the analysis, such as monthly or quarterly, depending on your needs. Then, provide the required personal and financial information to facilitate the analysis. CreditSaint will then retrieve your credit report from the 3 major credit bureaus: Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. Their team of experts will review the report, identifying errors, inaccuracies, and areas for improvement. They will also provide personalized recommendations to help you improve your credit score. To get the most out of the analysis, make sure to review the report carefully and follow the recommended actions. This may include disputing errors, paying off debts, and maintaining a positive credit history. By scheduling regular credit report analyses with CreditSaint, you can stay on top of your credit and work towards achieving a better financial future. It is essential to note that CreditSaint offers a range of tools and resources to help you understand and manage your credit. Their website provides educational materials, credit score tracking, and alerts to help you stay informed. By leveraging these resources, you can take control of your credit and make informed decisions about your financial health. In conclusion, scheduling a CreditSaint credit report analysis is a straightforward process that can provide valuable insights into your credit. By following these steps and utilizing the resources available, you can take the first step towards improving your credit and achieving your financial goals.